How to manage commitments. Select commitments in the navigation panel. To create a new commitment, select Create New Commitment. And then enter your commitment description. Select Create. So now you can see a new commitment has been created. Its state is open. So if you'd like to add an update to a commitment, select Updates, Add New Update. Enter the update to your commitment and select Create. You're given an opportunity to share the commitment update with others in the group in discussions. To do that, you would select the discussion you wish to share it in and select Share. And now you've posted a shared update to the group. So you can see that this commitment is currently in an open state. To change it to a different state, you would select this pull down. You can either mark it complete or dismissed. If you mark it complete, it's going to move to the top of the completed items. So watch. So if you notice now, it's down here marked complete. If I had selected dismiss, it'll run to the bottom of the list. So let me select dismissed. So now that one's down here and dismissed. So now you know how to manage commitments.